So hi, today we are going to see how to create a button with Python and tkinter. So we're gonna import tkinter, this module as tk, so that we can call it tk. And then we are going to create a window with tk, this module, and this class tk. We got to take it in a loop to maintain it visible, so to say. And that is the window. Now let's create the button inside these two lines. So we create a button with this class button, and we attach it to the main window, that is root as we call it before. And then we can give this some text to see it in the window, but we don't see nothing because we have to pack it to make it visible. And there it is, our button, but this button does nothing, so we give it a command. And let's go this command click, and we put the function of this action that takes place when you click the button, and it will simply change the text of the button to um, you you click it. Okay, let's see if this work. This is the button, you click, and now you see that the text inside of the button is changes to you click it. Thank you, and see you next